The Government of NCT of Delhi Amendment Act 2021 received the presidential assent in March 2021. This act makes amendments to the previous act. Firstly, it gives more power to the Lieutenant Governor in some respects while ensuring the Delhi Legislative Assembly's accountability. As per the Act's objects and reasons, it is aimed at ending the absence of clarity on what matters or proposals are needed to be submitted to the LG before orders could be issued. It also aims to further define the responsibilities of the elected government and Lieutenant Governor in Delhi. Now, what was the need for this amendment? In the objects and reasons mentioned, the government states that there was no structural mechanism for effective time-bound implementation of Section 44 of the 1991 Act. Additionally, there was no clarity on what matters are required to be submitted to the LG before implementation. The government also mentions that the amendment was brought to give effect to the interpretation made in the Government of NCT of Delhi versus Union of India case by the Supreme Court in 2018. Now, the opposition parties and the party in power in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party, have responded to the Amendment Act by calling it unconstitutional. According to them, the amendments seek to reduce the power of the democratically elected government in Delhi. They also say that the position of the Chief Minister would be rendered meaningless and that this would have adverse consequences on the federal nature of the country. Also, the bill confers upon the Lieutenant Governor's massive powers to refer all the matters to the President. These provisions are innately violative of the 2018 judgment and is abusive of the doctrine of pith and substance. Logically speaking, the Supreme Court should take advantage of the current argument to permanently settle this long-term dispute.